Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make beef fried rice. It is time you give your regular fried rice a break and try out this very yummy and delicious beef fried rice recipe. So first, into a pot we're going to add our beef. I have large chunks of beef here and I'm just going to go ahead and season with some onion, some white pepper, some thyme, some curry. I'm also going to add some paprika, and then I'm going to add some bay leaf, my salt, my seasoning cube, and of course some ginger and garlic paste. Now you guys, there's spices and herbs will really help to season your meat nicely. You want to cover and allow that to simmer and bring out its own juice for at least 5 to 7 minutes before you go ahead to add some water. Add enough water because we're going to be using that to boil our rice for the fried rice. Once you have added water, you're going to allow this to cook till your beef is cooked through. And at this point, mine is cooked through. You can see how yummy it is looking already. You take them out of your pot and then set them aside and chop them into bite sizes. You want to be able to bite them with your rice when you're eating. Now into the pot of our meat stock, I'm going to add some washed basmati rice. I'm using some basmati rice for this recipe because it just comes out better and is tastier. You can use any rice that you like. Okay, I added a little bit of water. You just want the water to cover your rice and that's it. Now I re-season with some salt and seasoning cube to my liking, and then I'm just going to give it a stir to make sure everything is properly combined. At this point, taste it again and adjust whatever needs to be adjusted. Cover and cook till your rice is cooked through and fluffy like this. This took about a minimum of 11 minutes and my rice is cooked through. I set that aside and I begin to fry my chopped up cooked beef in oil. We're going to fry this till they are really golden brown and dry. Make sure to flip on every side so that every side of the beef is nicely cooked and fried and looking this very delicious and really crispy. I mean, very seasoned, well seasoned beef that is fried is so delicious. You already know. Scoop them out of the oil and set that aside. And if you're still watching, do well to subscribe for more videos and recipes like this. Once I scoop them out of my oil, it will be time to start the fried rice proper. I'm going to use a wok and I'm adding some butter, some sesame oil, and some vegetable oil as well. Now the butter and sesame oil is just going to help us build lots of flavor into this rice. And into my butter and oil mix, I'm going to add chopped onion and very spicy scotch bonnet, because this rice, you want it to have a bit of spice to it. That gives it that kick and flavor. We're going to saute these till they are really fragrant and beginning to be translucent like this. Your onion has to soften and look this good. Next, we're adding in our chopped and diced up carrots. Now you can use any mix of veggies that you like, but this is typically what I am using for this recipe. Once I add my carrots in there, I go in with my bell peppers. I'm using the green, yellow, and red, and then I'm going to season all of these veggies with some bouillon powder, okay, and then just give that a stir. No salt because the stock we cooked our rice in already has all of that. Now stir everything to combine. At this point, your kitchen will be smelling so delicious, and look at those colors. It is now the perfect time to introduce your fried beef and mix everything together. At this point, it's looking like I should just take a spoon and scoop it into my mouth, because what is all this deliciousness, right? Okay, you're just going to stir fry this for about a minute, and once it is looking this delicious, it is the perfect time to now add in your cooked rice. I always say that the eyes have to eat before the stomach, and this is really feeding the eyes and also feeding the stomach at this point. Once I add in my cooked rice, I'm going to add some sweet corn and then give this a really good stir. Mind you, when you are stir frying the veggies, please do it on high heat so they retain their crunch and flavor. And once you add in the rice, you want to reduce your heat to medium low so that the rice can soak up all of the flavor and sweetness of the veggies, and then they can all become a very beautiful and delicious fellowship in your mouth. Just continue to stir fry these on medium to low heat till every grain of rice is nicely coated with the veggies and the beef, and you can already see how this looks. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.